Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got another guess what's in the box video. It's a pretty large box behind me in front of the toolbox, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're going to be doing a quick guess what's in the box video. This is a pretty large box. This toolbox is 72 inches long or wide, and this box is a little under that. It is pretty short, but this is going to be another guess what's in the box video. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so we're going to take measurements of the box. I actually had to put tape on it because the box, when the FedEx driver dropped it off, the box just crumpled. This side completely just flipped open. And there isn't any packaging in this box, which is kind of aggravating. But it is a couple items for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Sport. So this box is 62 inches long. It is 9.5 inches wide, and it is 20 3/8 inches tall. So it's almost 2 feet tall. What do you guys think is in the box? It is for the SR5 Sport that I ended up getting in a wreck in. We're going to be restoring her. What do you think this is for that truck? It could be lots of things. It could be body panels, bumpers, reinforcement. It could be headlights, headlight valances that go underneath the headlights. Could be turn signal housings. Could be fog lights. Could be lots of things. Bumper valance brackets, bumper brackets, you name it, crush plates. But you guys let me know what you think it is. Just a quick little video, give you guys a little bit better view. Right there. I still need to clean this pile up, but I'm trying to get these videos done before I start cleaning. I got tons of things in here I need to be cleaned. This needs to be taken out to the barn until I'm ready for these. These are the fenders, the front fenders, and or I call them quarter panels. I have the front bumper valance, radiator support. I got the upper bumper valance. And then this box, I put all the accessories for it. Got the rear Bilstein shocks for the rear for 3-inch lift. I got the bumper retainer. Got both headlights, driver and passenger. Got both fog lights, and then all 4 of the turn signal housings that I picked up, 2 for the limited, 2 to repair, that are going to go in this one for the SR5. We got the grill assembly here. Need to clean this up, move all these boxes and everything. This needs to go in the barn for now. All of these items need to be prepped and painted, and I'm thinking that I'm going to probably take them to a body shop and see what they would charge me to paint them instead of me having to do them myself. I do have an automotive sprayer, paint sprayer, and I have compressors, and I can do all of it myself, but I just don't have a paint booth, and I'd prefer it to be clean, no issues with paint. But these are more parts. I also have a box of parts right here as well. I also did find, just to give you guys an update, I did find a roof rack, an original roof rack from a buddy on Facebook. He actually lives in Washington. He actually told me about one of his buddies that lives in Washington also, that deals with Toyota 4Runners all the time. Got a genuine non-rusted OEM roof rack and a 1996 to 2000 dark chocolate mocha rear cargo cover, and he might also have the cargo net as well. And he's also going to be sending me the deflector, the rear deflector that goes on the hatch, the metal deflector, and a couple other items that we're going to be restoring onto the Limited that I got that had them missing. But let me know, guys, know what you guys think it is. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And there is copper staples all the way through this box on the top. And then there's a bunch on the side, and the staples just let go. That's why the box opened. The box isn't in great condition, though. You can see that I taped it just for the video. And we'll just unbox this in the next video, show you guys the couple items that are in it. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!